Hey guys, today let us see how to make Vellyache Sukhe or Goan style white sardine sukha. Here are the ingredients used in this recipe. Let us marinate the fish by applying turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Refer to the description for ingredients and recipe. Keep the fish aside for 15 minutes to marinate. Heat a kadai and add oil. After oil gets heated, add onion and saute till onion turns pinkish. After onion turns pinkish, add marinated fish. This fish is also known as silver fish. In Goa we call it Velli. In South India it is known as veloori. Next step is to add grated coconut. Add the spices, that is red chili powder, turmeric powder and also add salt. Add some kokum petals. If kokum petals are not available, you can add raw mango in this recipe. Add little water. Mix gently and combine everything. You have to be very careful while mixing, otherwise the fish will break into pieces and get dissolved. Simmer for 5 to 8 minutes on low flame. Gently stir once more. Goan style Vellyache Sukhe is ready. Serve this Goan white sardines or Anchovies sukha with fish curry, rice and fried prawns. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.